Minicam free online training. Due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, we have temporarily put on hold all in-person product demonstrations and training to maintain social distancing, which is in line with the current World Health Organization guidelines to help prevent the spread of coronavirus. However, in order to stay connected with our customers, we have the opportunity to offer our expert advice through online media. We can provide general systems setup such as checking crawler and camera pressure, using embedded reporting software and creating reports with Minicam and ProPipe Plus, adding your own company logo and contact details to your reports, using Wi-Fi and email functions, software updates. Top tips for push camera care. We can offer this free service over Zoom, FaceTime, or similar webcam platforms with live video footage if required. Or, if you prefer, with just a simple telephone call. If you are interested in free online training, please contact our UK sales team by mobile phone. Minicam, in-pipe innovation. We are with you all of the way.